Are you tired of being clueless? Of not knowing if a woman is truly interested in you? Maybe you missed some signs that led to missing some great opportunities. Maybe you even embarrassed yourself, but listen, I don't blame you. Women can be very difficult to understand. These might be some harsh lessons, but they need to be learned so that you can improve and thrive. But these scientific methods will definitely help you attract women. These methods have been tested by many successful men throughout the years, and they can definitely transform your life too. Just remember, no one fully understands the reasons for human attraction, even though there has been a lot of research done. This means that there's no secret recipe, no concrete way of attracting every woman in the world, as that would be impossible. But we will give you the best methods, which are scientifically correlated with the attraction of females. Number 1, resist seduction. This might sound counterintuitive, but resisting a woman's seduction will actually help you. Many men fall for the tricks women play, and it makes you seem easy, naive, and immature. Because of this, many women want mature, experienced men who challenge these seductions. Guys will choose partners who are easygoing and flirty. But studies and research show that women want the opposite. They want a man who can't be seduced as easily. So if you want to be seen as attractive and not desperate, become patient, modest, and slightly reserved. This will make women go crazy for you, and they will not be able to think about anything else but you, as you've just disregarded their best method of cutting off guys. Number 2, confidence and simplicity. A majority of men think that you need pickup lines, lies, and complex tactics to get women. But research has shown that women prefer guys who are confident and genuine, and they don't use cheesy pickup lines. This means that a short and confident introduction is the best way to approach women, rather than trying to use smoke and mirrors. So don't try to complicate things by telling some elaborate joke or a story no one cares about. Trying too hard is a big turnoff for most women. Confidence and simplicity leave the best impression, so don't overthink it. Number 3, capability. Firstly, ask yourself, what is the most important quality a man can have? For women, a man is most attractive when he is strong, intelligent, and capable. So women are looking for a man who can meet their emotional, physical, and social needs. This will vary from person to person, but that doesn't mean that you can't show her that you're capable. And how can you do this easily? By satisfying her small needs. If she's hungry, buy her food. If she's thirsty, buy her a drink. Women need a man who is capable of doing things on his own and is not dependent on anyone else. Women will definitely want you if they can see that you're able to live independently and not have to be taken care of, like a baby. Be sure to follow us for more tips and videos like this one. I hope you have a great day. As always, you must strive to thrive.